Red onions, with their vibrant hue and sweet, slightly tangy flavor, are a versatile ingredient that can elevate a multitude of dishes. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color to your salad, a depth of flavor to your main course, or a unique twist to your appetizers, red onions have got you covered. Here are some delicious, easy, and healthy recipes featuring red onions that you absolutely need to try. One of the simplest yet most delightful ways to enjoy red onions is by making a fresh red onion salad. Start with a base of mixed greens. Think arugula, spinach, or even kale. Thinly slice a medium red onion and soak the slices in cold water for about 10 minutes. This quick soak helps to mellow the sharpness of the onion, making it more palatable for those who might find raw onions a bit overwhelming. After soaking, drain the onions and toss them into your salad. Add in some cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and a handful of feta cheese for a refreshing crunch. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a touch of honey, salt, and pepper. Drizzle it over your salad just before serving for a light, healthy dish that is bursting with flavor. If you're in the mood for something a bit heartier, consider making a roasted red onion and vegetable medley. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Cut red onions into wedges and toss them with a variety of seasonal vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Rosemary and thyme work beautifully here. Spread the vegetables out on a baking sheet and roast for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until everything is tender and caramelized. The natural sweetness of the red onions will shine through, complementing the other vegetables perfectly. This dish can be served as a side or tossed with quinoa or brown rice for a wholesome main course. For a quick and flavorful appetizer, try making pickled red onions. The process is incredibly simple and requires only a handful of ingredients. Slice a red onion thinly and pack it into a clean jar. In a small saucepan, combine equal parts vinegar, white or apple cider, and water, along with a tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Heat the mixture until the sugar and salt dissolve, then pour it over the onions in the jar. Let the mixture sit for at least an hour at room temperature, or refrigerate for a few hours for an even more intense flavor. These pickled onions are perfect on tacos, burgers, or even as a tangy addition to a cheese platter. If you're looking for a healthy twist on a classic dish, red onion can be a star ingredient in a veggie-packed stir-fry. Start by slicing red onions into thin strips and sautéing them in a bit of sesame oil until they become translucent. Add in your choice of vegetables. Broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and carrots all work wonderfully. Toss in some cubed tofu or chicken for protein, and stir in a sauce made from soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Serve this stir-fry over brown rice or quinoa for a nutritious meal that's ready in under 30 minutes. The red onion adds a sweet and savory depth that complements the other ingredients beautifully. For a light and satisfying lunch, consider making a red onion and avocado toast. Toast slices of whole grain bread until golden brown, then spread a generous layer of smashed avocado on top. Thinly slice some red onion and layer it over the avocado, followed by a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For an extra kick, add a few slices of jalapeno or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also packed with healthy fats and fiber, making it a perfect choice for a midday meal. For those who enjoy a bit of indulgence, a red onion and goat cheese tart can be a fantastic option. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Roll out a sheet of puff pastry and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Sauté sliced red onions in olive oil until they are soft and caramelized, then spread them evenly over the pastry. Crumble goat cheese on top and sprinkle with fresh thyme or rosemary. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until the pastry is golden brown and puffed. This tart can be served warm or at room temperature, making it an excellent choice for gatherings or as a light dinner with a side salad. Another delightful way to incorporate red onions into your meals is through a hearty soup. A red onion and lentil soup is both filling and nutritious. Start by sautéing chopped red onions in a pot with a bit of olive oil until they are soft. Add garlic, diced carrots, and celery, cooking until the vegetables are tender. Stir in rinsed lentils and vegetable broth, then season with salt, pepper, and a bay leaf. Let the soup simmer until the lentils are cooked through, about 30 minutes. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of fresh herbs before serving. This soup is perfect for meal prep, as it keeps well in the fridge and tastes even better the next day. Finally, for a refreshing beverage, consider making a red onion-infused water. Slice a red onion and add it to a pitcher of water, along with slices of cucumber and a handful of fresh mint. Let it infuse in the refrigerator for a few hours. The result is a subtly flavored water that can be a great alternative to sugary drinks, providing hydration with a twist. These delicious red onion recipes are not only easy to prepare, but also healthy, allowing you to enjoy the unique flavor of red onions in various forms. Whether you choose to incorporate them into salads, roasts, appetizers, or soups, red onions are sure to add color, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. So gather your ingredients and start experimenting with these delightful dishes. Your taste buds will thank you.